Kasang National People's Party kasi palay juga tayo kala penlong jaga general election meeting arhajar arpulai hamadan pulu Shillong. Hakaba lawan ban Pynbna paidbah ya kyrtong jongki sanpo prangut ki kyrtong ki bani aireng haga election MLA arhajar arpulai hakmat kajingwan saki jongki hajar ngut ki paidbah. Hakani kejingelang lawan bandan bentalang daki kyrtong ke NPP ki bani iakhun ki election na ki constituency bepero ke jaka jela nadu menteri rang ba konrad ki sangma usembut menteri rang ba oba prestun tun song bat kiweng watla ke NPP kala Pynbna ya kyrtong jongki kyrtong handai kala Pynbna ru bahkan peniang kyrtong na ka South Shillong bat na mairang constituency. Hakani kejingelang u konrad sangma rengkat ba oba prestun tun song bat ki MP ke NPP ki bekenthop ya ka agatha ke sangma bat u Dr. WR Khaluki ila pelapet ba ya ka kot kebala kyrtong promises delivered kabapen i ki jingkular hausnam arhajar khatpra bat ki kam ki balala ban penudlong da ka sarkar kabala yalam da ke NPP habakren hakajingelang u konrad blaong bahaki ni kisan snem kinong yalam ni kisang san perthai bapero per kilawan ban peni so ba ke NPP kabapen i syai kedar ba ke NPP kanang klan bat ula ongru ba kilawan ban peni so bat kaseng om na kabenta ka jingmentoy haka kam san perthai hendrei na kabenta ka dauba ban syakri upai ba ka jela ula ong ba ka sarkar kabayalam da ke NPP kelas sedang ye ki babun ki kampenroi na kabenta ki paidbah bat ya ka jela hakini kisan snem ki balalek habai nujor ya ke kebala le haki sanpos na mensua haka jela u konrad ulakam ba ke NPP ka don ni ke jing start bat ke jing slur ban yat syakmat ya ke jing ekran ban penbet yo put usam bat ban penpoiru ya ke ni kamat syaka bakut bat ulaong badai tang keseng NPP kabala ban penbet yo put usam bat ke jela asam.
Don isar konrad sama ngalade banyak ladam don ke NPP ngalade banyak kalau pakai hidan demo ya kabakom data parti to ya berkata I invite all critics keep throwing stone on us the more the more we get motivation. Because why? We are doing rightly, not wrongly. If you look at the report of the coronavirus, kumbasan pakur, kinong-kinong yung ana, bakit ang kapisa prokot kalendot, siya yung CM, siya yung Deputy CM, critics say, what you could have seen. Kalababot, John Baka NPP. Kenapa? Inang rasyo juga merata di gerku. Keparti batang menindak atau keportan dengan Taisman. Harap ingin Aisyah dan terkasih Jikilong kume, si hajar teka, si benai ya kilong kume. Nah, yaudah kupa kamu siapa semua jenah. Nah, bisa ini kalau jenah, bahkan cinta si hajar teka jenah. Nabi orang tu si paidbah ini, koki kepakun, wat ngop, wat siap pendi, koki long kume. Kajing pendek si hajar tengkar hobi kadai tang hau.
Friends, as we move forward and we continue to take our state to greater heights, in the last 5 years, we have laid the foundations for it. There was a time in 2018 when Meghalaya used to be at the bottom of the different rankings in the country. Under simple programs like MGNREGA, which is the job card as you all know, Meghalaya used to to be at the bottom in the rankings in the whole country. And in a matter of 5 years, today we are among the top 5 states in the country in terms of our performance in MGNREGS. There was a time when 50% of our children were not able to get vaccination. Though the vaccines were available, but the system was not working. We were ranked at 27, 28, 29 in the country in terms of the children getting immunization. But because of the hard work of this government, in the last 5 years, we are today, from rank 27, today we are ranked 2nd in the country. In the last 20 years, the large number of roads that could not be made, this particular NPP-led government has made more roads than what was made in the last 20 years of this state. This NPP-led government has been able to give water to more houses in the last 5 years than was being able to give in the last 50 years of the statehood. In the last 5 years, we gave more than what was achieved in the last 50